Hi, this is Dr. N, and I want to invite you to an event at the clinic introducing OBAGI skincare. I'm so excited to bring you a new line of prescription grade product for women because the bottom line is busy women need help knowing what to do, how to best take care of their skin. After all, our skin is our largest organ and we have to take care of it. We're having an event on March 23rd at the clinic from 9 to 1. We'd like you to schedule an appointment with a $25 deposit to hold your appointment for a skin assessment. The money will go towards your product if you choose to buy it. There are lots of different lines for this product, ranging from the young who need help with skincare in general, to those that are troubled by acne, to women that have fine lines and wrinkles, age spots, or just general condition of the skin like rosacea or sensitive skin that they need help with. We have all sorts of different products to introduce. You can sample and try. We will have some samples to give away, and that day we'll be having a 10% discount on all our product. So give us a call at 503-908-1646 to schedule your appointment. I'm so excited to bring you this product. It's made a big difference for me in my quality of life and the way my skin looks and my enthusiasm about skincare.